Hello students, a continuation of Graham's law. This is gas laws in Form 3 Chemistry. Teacher Mercy is here at camscience.classes. Thank you very much. Now we are going to solve this problem today. Two containers, one with nitrogen 4 oxide, one with nitrogen 4 oxide, and the other with bromine gas simultaneously leak. After 30 minutes, the smell of nitrogen 4 oxide is detected. After 30 minutes, the smell of nitrogen 4 oxide is detected. How much longer will it take before bromine gas is detected? We've been given the relative atomic masses of nitrogen as 14, oxygen is 16, then bromine is 80. So step 1, we need to get the relative molecular masses of our individual gases. So the relative molecular mass of nitrogen 4 oxide, we have nitrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen. Nitrogen is atomic number 14 and oxygen is atomic number 16. So we have 14 plus 32 and this gives us 46. The relative molecular mass of bromine, remember bromine is a diatomic molecule, but here we have bromine atom. So we need 2 atoms of bromine to give us the diatomic molecule of bromine gas. So we have 2 into 80 and this gives us 160. So I'll use method 1 where the time of diffusion of nitrogen 4 oxide to the time of diffusion of bromine gas should give us the square root of the densities or the relative molecular mass RMM of nitrogen 4 oxide to the relative molecular mass of bromine. When we do this, then the volume of nitrogen 4 oxide and the volume of bromine must compare. The volume of nitrogen 4 oxide and the volume of bromine must compare. Otherwise, then we are supposed to use the rate of diffusion. Otherwise, we can use the rate of diffusion. Let's go on with the time. So the time of nitrogen 4 oxide, we were told, is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to the time of bromine, here we are. Our time of bromine, we don't know the time of bromine because they asked us how much longer, but we can get the relative molecular mass of nitrogen 4 oxide, which is 46, over that of bromine gas, which is 160. So from here we are going to solve keying in 46 divided by 160, which is giving us a 0.2875. So this is supposed to be equal to 30 minutes over the time of bromine gas. Get the square root of the answer. Which is 0.53619 is equal to 30 minutes over the time of bromine. So when we make TBR the subject of a question, the time of bromine the subject of a question, then we have 30 divided by 0.53619. So 30 divided by the answer and we get 55.95028. But remember, the question was how much longer. This is the total time taken for bromine. So if we need to get how much longer, then we shall have this time, which is in minutes. We shall have how much longer, how much longer. Then we shall have the time taken, which is 55.95028 minus 30 minutes, so minus 30, and our answer becomes 25.9508 minutes. So this is the answer to our question. Follow me for the next question.